Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Today, we're diving into a super cool way to make money and help others at the same time, building a Section 8 rental portfolio in the United States. Sounds fancy, right? But don't worry, I'll break it down so it's easy to understand. So, what exactly is Section 8? Picture this: the government steps in to help families who don't have enough money to pay for their homes. They give landlords money for rent, which means landlords are almost always guaranteed to get paid. It's like having a magic money tree that keeps growing. That's why this rental thing is so awesome. Now, how can you start your very own Section 8 rental empire? Well, first, you need to know about the local housing offices called PHAs. They make sure the houses are safe and nice. Before buying a property, you need to check what's required in your area. It's like knowing the rules of a game before you start playing. Next, you'll want to find the right neighborhoods. Not every area works well for Section 8 rentals. You need to look for places where lots of people need homes but can't find affordable ones. Doing some research online or asking local property managers can help. Think of it like hunting for the best candy on Halloween. Once you have a good area in mind, it's time to pick the right house. Starting with single-family homes or small apartments is a smart move. They're easier to manage and rent out quickly. You want to find a place that fits the Section 8 guidelines without costing a ton to fix up. It's like finding the perfect toy. You want something fun but also a good deal. Now, before you buy, you need to figure out your money situation. You have to count how much you'll spend on things like the mortgage, taxes, and repairs. Make sure you'll earn more money than you spend. It's kind of like planning a party. You need to know how much cake and snacks you can buy without going broke. If you don't have a lot of cash to start, that's okay. You can get loans with small down payments or even team up with friends to buy together. Just like when you share a pizza, working together can help you get more. Once you buy a house, the local PHA will come to check if it's safe and clean. Don't worry, just make sure it looks good. It's like making sure your room is tidy before your friends come over. After you have your house ready, it's time to find great tenants. The government pays a big part of the rent, but you want people who will take care of your property. Look for nice references, just like inviting friends who you know won't mess up your stuff. Once tenants move in, you need to keep the house in great shape. If something breaks, fix it quickly. Happy tenants are more likely to stay longer, and that means more money for you. Think of it like watering your plants. You want them to grow strong and healthy. As you get more houses, use the money you earn to buy even more. Keep finding good deals, and your rental empire will keep growing. It's like planting a garden. The more you plant, the more you can harvest. And here's a secret: making friends is super important. Talk to housing offices, property managers, and other landlords. They can help you find deals, share ideas, and solve problems. It's like having a cool team that wants to help you win. The best part about Section 8 is that it's steady money. Even when the economy gets shaky, the government still pays you. Plus, you're helping families find safe homes, which is pretty amazing. So, what are you waiting for? Start with one house, learn how everything works, and grow from there. With a little effort and smart planning, you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun tips on living your dream life. Until next time, stay awesome, and remember, you've got this.